Hi guys, in this lesson we are going to talk about a great Indian journalist, writer and social reformer from Gujarat. That is, we are talking about Sri Karsandas Mulji. Sri Karsandas Mulji was an Indian journalist, writer and social reformer from Gujarat. He was born to a family belonging to the Bhatiyas, a trading caste of Western India. He was scolded by his family because of his views on widow remarriage, just like Raja Ram Mohan Roy ji. He became a vernacular schoolmaster and started a weekly paper in Gujarati called Satya Prakash, in which he attacked what he perceived to be the immoralities of Maharajas or hereditary high priests of the Pushti Marg Vaishnavism, to which the Bhatiyas belonged. So one thing you have to remember here, that Satya Prakash was a newspaper that was written by Karsandas Mulji ji, but you have to also remember that many people get confused between Satya Prakash and Satyarth Prakash. Satyarth Prakash was written by Dayanand Saraswati ji and it was regarding religious reform. That's what you have to remember. In a Libel suit, the Maharaja Libel case brought against him in the High Court at the Bombay in 1862, Karsandas Mulji ji won a victory on the main issue. After a visit to England on business in connection with the cotton trade, which was not successful and brought on him excommunication from his community, he was appointed in 1874 to administer a native estate in Kathiawar during the minority of the chief. He died there on 28th of August 1875. Mahipat Ram Rupram Neelkant wrote his biography in Gujarati entitled Uttam Kapoi Karsandas Mulji Charit. This biography was written in 1877 with an introductory sketch in English. Karsandas Mulji, a biographical study, is another critical biography written by B.N. Motiwala in 1935. This is a great deal of information about Sri Karsandas Mulji, and I hope that you learned some new information and new facts, and as well as you drew inspiration from this magnanimous personality. Thank you so much for watching guys. Keep watching, keep supporting.